Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
下
the symbol of down and direction. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
下
3 strokes to define down.
横竖点下
Means down or below, or to descend. It can also indicate location under action to finish or sequence next. Use it in words like
下面
below underneath or
下课
finish class. Now that you know how to write,
下
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
下雨
Raining.
下个月
Next month.
下午
Afternoon.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
猫在桌子下
The cat is under the table.
我们3点下课
We finish class at 3 o'clock.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know? The character
下
was once just 2 horizontal lines. The shorter one below meant down. Over time, the vertical stroke was added for clarity, just like its counterpart.
上
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 下午 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.